Hello there, my friends, and welcome. Are you a busy mom working really, really hard, trying to balance between working family, working your business, family time, and building your side hustles? It can be overwhelming and frustrating if you're trying to do everything at the same time. So, if this is you, you're in the right place at the right time. Stick around to the very end of this video. I have some exciting gifts for you. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com. I'm a single mother of two children. I'm based here in Dublin, Ireland, currently studying for my degree in business and marketing. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed, I was stressed and frustrated. I was so sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family. I felt like I was on this hamster wheel going round and round in circles as I lived from paycheck to paycheck. You name it, I've been there, done that. From affiliate marketing, network marketing, crypto trading. It was not until I made the decision to invest the time and the money to learn how to market online the right way that things started to change for me. Last year, I came across a proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint that's showing me how to attract my perfect customer using social media, so I no longer have to bother my family and friends, and I no longer have to slide into strangers' DMs. So in this video, I want to actually share with you 3 quick wins for moms to earn consistent income online. Now, this is very important because I feel like sometimes we can be overwhelmed, frustrated, confused because we are looking at the big picture and there's all these things that we need to do. But the key is to take a step back and break it down. How do you eat an elephant? How do you eat an apple? You just don't throw the whole apple in your mouth, one bite at a time. So the same goes here. You need to actually just set small goals and just do something every day that's going to help you. Now, if you can follow a proven step-by-step blueprint, that's going to make the job a lot easier for you. Okay. Now, what could you do right now to actually get started? What step could you do? You could turn your social media profile into a storefront and set it up in a professional way. You could do that. You could set up an automated marketing system that can be out there working for you 24/7. So just focus on just getting those little things done and the big picture will come together. It's like if you were to build a mansion, a skyscraper, it's done by just one block at a time. Just focus on one block, and the next thing you know, you have a whole wall, right? The step number 2 is that once you set up your social media platform, you have your automated marketing system. One thing as a digital marketer, what you need to commit to is creating a minimum of 3 pieces of content every day, right? So you're going to have these storefronts on social media. You need to make sure that those storefronts are stocked up, right? And the way we stock them up is by creating content that's going to attract our perfect customer. Now, if you don't want to show your face, then you can use what we call faceless content, where we actually have done for you reels, short form videos that you can use. We have done for you testimonials that you can use. So you can use that to get started while you're learning exactly how to create content, like I am now showing my face, okay? And the other thing is that when you set up your system, your automated marketing system, you need to start building your email list. The money is in the list. The bigger your list, the more money you're going to earn. So set it up so that, like, well, let me actually show you what my one looks like, right? So I'm just going to share my entire screen here. And as I share my screen, this is what my done-for-you automated marketing system. So it has one job, 2 jobs really. The system collects emails for me. So I'm building my email list. And why would anybody give me their email? Why would you give me your email? Just so that you can get access to our 10K in 30 days live interactive guide and our free AI chatbot, right? So that's exactly how that works. And if you're interested in learning more about digital marketing, building a successful digital marketing business, I have I'm part of this live interactive coaching and mentorship where we have 49,500 members of our community, and This is what our community looks like. We have a calendar here where we get access to live interactive coaching and mentorship every single week. So tomorrow we have mentoring call, Monday at 7 p.m. my time. We have a technical call if you need help setting up your automated marketing system. And we have this classroom here where we have different bonuses. Part of the bonus is our content vault here where you can download content. We have mentoring calls that you've missed. You get access to them. But I want to share with you here, we have mindset training. But this is our 90-day run where our millionaire mentor sends us a video for 90 days where she's just taking us by the hand, walking us step by step, keeping us accountable and guiding us through exactly what we need to do to build a successful digital business. So if you would like to learn more about I'm actually on a mission this year to work really close with 150 moms to help them launch and grow a successful digital business for explosive growth in 2025. So if you would like to learn more about our proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint, you can type blueprint in the comments so I can share that with you, or you can click the link in the description as well to get access to that. I will deliver the email the blueprint to your inbox. Please respond to my email. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm more than happy to answer them. And let me just share with you some of the wins that we have in our community, just in case you're wondering, does this actually work, right? So here's our community right here. If I go to community and I go to wins here, right? Elizabeth, 11 days ago, made three $900 sales, 3 days in a row. And she actually made 2,700. So 3 times 900, 2,700, right? That's absolutely amazing. Congratulations. Christina, how is this real life? Over here making, let's see, over here making money while I sleep. It blows my mind that she's able to make $900, not even knowing anything about digital marketing. Rosalind, 18 hours ago, 1,600 in 1 week. Somebody pinch me. Congratulations. Onyinye, 2 days ago, another $900 sale before breakfast. So these are some of the wins that we have in our community. So click the link in the description to get access to that. If you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button. And remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been the amazing Angela from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you. Have a fantastic day.